Imagine a world where human evolution takes a giant leap forward, not through natural selection or biological changes, but through the integration of advanced artificial intelligence. Is this the future we're heading towards? Can AI really help humans evolve? Let's dive into this mind-blowing idea and explore the surprising future of humanity with technology. Welcome to the atomic domain. To understand how AI could influence human evolution, it's essential first to look at how we've evolved up until now. Humans started as simple, primitive creatures millions of years ago. Over time, our brains grew, our bodies adapted to new environments, and we developed complex societies. Evolution wasn't fast, but it was always moving forward. Through millions of years of trial and error, humans learned to adapt to the world. Early hominids, like Australopithecus, used basic tools and walked upright, which gave them a better chance of survival. Fast forward to Homo sapiens, and we have technology, culture, and a global society that no other species on Earth has. But what if the next stage of evolution isn't something we have to wait millions of years for? What if AI can accelerate this process in ways we can't even imagine? AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here. Machines can now learn, process, and even think in ways that mimic human intelligence. But can AI push humanity to evolve beyond our biological limitations? Think about it. AI has the potential to enhance human cognitive abilities. Right now, machines are helping us solve problems faster, process information more efficiently, and create things we never thought possible. But could these machines one day be integrated directly into our minds, allowing us to think faster, learn better, or even live longer? What if AI didn't just enhance our intellectual abilities? Could it help us evolve physically? Imagine bionic limbs that allow humans to run faster than ever, or even AI-powered brain implants that could enhance memory and focus. Could technology take the place of the slow process of natural selection and offer enhancements that give humans an edge? One of the most exciting possibilities is the merging of humans and AI on a biological level. Currently, there are already experimental devices like brain-machine interfaces, which allow humans to control prosthetics or communicate through thought alone. This connection between the mind and AI is only beginning, but the potential for enhancing human abilities is vast. Take, for example, neuroprosthetics. These are devices that integrate with the brain to restore lost functions, like vision or movement. These systems already have the capability to change lives by helping people who have lost limbs or the ability to see. In the future, this technology could expand beyond recovery, offering abilities no human has ever had before, possibly allowing us to download knowledge directly into our brains or interact with AI on an entirely new level. The brain and body could evolve together, with AI becoming a vital part of the equation. By integrating AI directly with our biology, we could achieve a new form of human evolution, an evolution that transcends the natural limitations of our species. AI isn't just changing the way we think and move. It could also transform how long we live. One of the biggest challenges in human evolution has been aging. Our bodies deteriorate over time, and with that deterioration comes disease and death. But AI could help us solve these problems by monitoring our health in real time, predicting illnesses before they happen, and even repairing damaged tissues or cells at the molecular level. In the near future, AI-driven medical technology could offer breakthroughs in anti-aging and longevity. By using AI to analyze our DNA and understand the mechanisms behind aging, scientists could develop therapies to reverse cellular damage, slow aging, and even extend human life expectancy significantly. This idea of extending human life could be seen as another step in evolution, just as the development of medicine and hygiene helped us live longer in the past. AI could be the next leap forward, allowing us to live healthier, longer lives, and maybe even indefinitely. But with all these possibilities comes a set of questions. What are the ethical implications of AI enhancing our bodies and minds? If some people can afford access to these technologies and others cannot, we could see a divide between enhanced and non-enhanced humans. Could this lead to a new form of inequality? Could AI further divide us as a species? The ethics of AI and human evolution are complex. Some argue that the use of AI to enhance humans could be a form of technological tyranny, where our biology is no longer our own. Others believe that these technologies could level the playing field, giving everyone the chance to live longer, healthier lives and expanding human potential. As AI continues to develop, society will need to decide where to draw the line. Will we accept a future where human beings are enhanced through technology, or will we try to hold on to our natural evolution? The answer may not be clear, but it's something we'll need to figure out as technology advances. Looking ahead, we might be on the cusp of a new phase in human evolution, one where we take control of our future rather than leave it to the randomness of natural selection. By embracing AI, we could rewrite what it means to be human. The future might involve hybrid humans with advanced abilities and longer lives, or even a complete merging of man and machine. We might create a new species altogether, one that transcends human limitations. The possibilities are endless, but the bottom line is that AI has the potential to change everything we know about evolution and what it means to be human. AI's role in human evolution is just beginning, and the future is filled with opportunities and challenges. Could it help us evolve into something beyond what we could ever imagine? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the world of tomorrow will be shaped by the technology we choose to embrace today. If this video sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Atomic Domain for more mind-expanding discussions. Until next time.